Affiliate marketing is dead. Course as a service is the new model. Listen to this. We run the business, give you premium digital products to sell, and you keep 100% of the revenue. Listen, even if you're new to the game, you know how affiliate marketing works. You build the audience, you create the content, you put your face out there, and they keep 50% for paying someone on Upwork $500 to record a course. On the streets, we call that pimps. Online, we call them affiliates and brand deals. I was the victim of that game for so long. So I built a company that's exclusively focused on monetizing niche educational creators. By the way, I'm booked for 11 years. I've been helping niche creators sell $30 million and generate about 800 million views. Then I went bankrupt to build a company that can do that at scale. Monetization online was designed for entertainers, not for us. Mass appeal, cats pooping on the toilet, hand feeding sharks in the Pacific. Brands love that. Ad revenue is through the roof. But if you're a niche creator solving real problems for real people, you're literally scratching the bottom of the barrel. Or you're handing the trust you built with your audience into affiliates' hands. So today I'm showing you what replaced affiliate marketing forever and how you can make your first sale keeping 100% of every single dime you make in literally under 60 seconds. But what makes affiliate deals actually that bad? Well, on one side, you're building someone else's empire. Every video you make, every post, every email, you're sending traffic to their product. You are the marketing department and they are the owner of the business. When they decide to cut affiliates, you're back to zero. When they launch new product, they keep 100% of the money from the audience you send their way. Now, problem number two, the split is just criminal. You create the content, you build trust, you convince someone to go ahead and buy. And for all that, you get 50%. That's not a partnership, man. That's a tax on your lack of options. And then there's problem number three, their product, your reputation. When you promote something as an affiliate, you are staking your credibility on their quality. If their product is garbage, they are not the ones being called out in the comments, losing views and relationship with their audience. That's going to be you. So what killed that model? A model that really shouldn't exist, but now it does. What if you did the same work? You just create content, but you keep 100% from every sale. What if the products were already built for you? Premium products you can customize. What if someone else handled the support and the tech and the payments and the integrations and onboarding and emails, literally the entire business? What if you own the business, but you didn't have to run it? That's a question that haunted me for 28 months, and it's finally here. Coursesaservice.com, the first ever ran for you online business. We didn't improve the old model, we replaced it completely. So here's how it works. You go to coursesaservice.com. Takes about 30 seconds. Step 2, you get instant ownership. 18 premium courses from mindset to money to marketing to copywriting to discipline to raising kids as warriors to productivity, all man-made premium quality. Think of each course like this. Think of it as a time machine. Person steps in with a goal they cannot reach. The same person steps out with all the steps in the right order and the mindset to get the goal. That's not information. Think of it as transformation. And then the last step, you get a link, another 30 seconds, 60 seconds total, you're in business. Anyone buys it, $497, you keep $497. They pay $17 a month, you keep $17. You keep everything. Your audience buys 1,000 units, you keep $497,000 and $17,000 a month, regardless if you lift a finger ever again. It doesn't take a genius to understand. In 6 months from now, you won't be able to explain to younger generation why creators were building businesses from scratch, building products, integrating tech and all that. We've changed monetization for niche educational creators forever. But here's the best part not many people understand. Owning a digital product and having the team of people to run the business for you is not about just the money and the freedom, although it comes handy, you know. It's more about what happens to you as a creator. When you are an affiliate, you're always a little desperate, you're needy, and you're pushing someone else's thing, secretly hoping no one buys it. That energy shows up in your content. Your audience can feel it. But when you own a premium product, when you know something is worth 100x from what you're charging, then everything shifts. Your posture, your confidence, your energy on camera, you're not pushing, you're gifting. And when every video means $2,000 or $3,000 in the bank, trust me, brother, consistency takes care of itself. Just 4 to 5 units a week, that's $10,000 a month, plus the recurring stacking on top. Then we promote your live call to our email list of buyers. If you're decent, that's 2-3 high ticket clients a month. $20,000 becomes a bad month. Scale that to 100 units at $497, you're making $49,700 plus the recurring revenue. You own the business. Same 100 sales as with affiliates, but instead of being called out in the comments for awful products, they become the people who make content about your content and who fight others in the comments for you, because you changed their lives for the better. You are the part of their success story, and you didn't build a single product and you didn't handle a single support ticket. That's what we do. The first mover window is still open, because if all that wasn't enough, we secured ownership shares in the company for the top 60 creators. We are aiming for a 10-figure exit, so you can do the math. Go to courseasaservice.com. Let us run the business, you keep 100%. And if you want to see how premium products create cult-like fans, then watch this video here.